So my name is Eric Yu. I'm the General Manager and Regional Practice Lead for the Asia Technology Practice. So GrowthOps Technology, we are basically a growth partner to our clients. And we offer three major business units, so-called. So as a consulting company, everything starts with consulting, right? So we provide a business/technology consulting with a deep dive consultative approach to our clients to understand their business, what their pain point is, and then basically providing a current state and future state, providing the target operating model, the as-is, and the future roadmap for implementation. And then that leads to second, which is the major BU, it's our implementation, or so-called development stage, right? So we provide not only at a system level, but also application level, website, platform, portal, so sort of, you name it, on development side. Third but not least will be our holistic end-to-end cloud services, which again, everything starts with consulting, right? So start with like cloud assessment, feasibility study, which also leads into a cloud implementation. Rather, it's a new new cloud platform build on different cloud service provider platform, or it's a traditional legacy data center lift and shift. All right. Third but not least, on the cloud service side, it will be the fully managed hosting services, which typically is an ongoing support and maintenance. But of course, we provide much more value-added service on top of that, such as securities, operations, and also cost optimization. So digital transformation definitely is not a new world, right? It's been going on for quite some time. And what we're seeing is the recent, our current client is mostly on FSI. So basically the major insurance and also insurance companies and also banks. So what we're seeing throughout most of the digital transformation projects, so-called, basically most, if not all, of the demand or the project aim is to improve their customer experience optimization. So how to improve a customer experience throughout a digital transformation journey is what we're seeing mostly on the demand side, right? So as we can see, speaking on the financial service institution, all those companies, basically they're having a pretty long, holistic, sophisticated core system transformation roadmap. But from a customer experience, no matter is their external stakeholder, which is their end customer, or their internal stakeholders, which is, for example, different various departments, no matter it's HR department, finance department, or agencies, sales and marketing, or whatsoever business units, stakeholders. What's the fastest growing piece or the biggest demand we're seeing throughout the digital transformation is the user experience. So the end user, no matter it's external or internal, what they're seeing is mostly on the front end side. So pretty much it's like websites, their application, or whatever their systems, or mobile app, or portal, platform, whatever that you name it. That's the most fastest frequent demand, which is very much have a high demand on changes or update or improvement, right? So that what we're seeing is this sort of the front end portal, the platform changes on the customer experience is what we're seeing the highest demand on the digital transformation. And given that building up or forming a front end portal, basically I would say it's like 20% of the effort. What we're seeing throughout our existing client or projects, the 80% challenges part, which probably is not seeing from the user side, is the integration to the back end. Because like the front end, like I said, building a front end portal, it's pretty easy, right? So we also have a team of UX UI experience, but the challenging part of most of our efforts is how to integrate with the backend, or so-called information, the data, the source, how to extract those into the right place into the platform. This is what we're seeing, the challenging part. And also that's what we're seeing the most ongoing keeps on improving enhancement throughout different phases, different stages and different phases. GrowthOps already have existence in Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, Philippines, and also headquarters in Australia, while serving global clients. What our expansion plan is, basically we want how to cross over. So I was back in Singapore last week, and one of the major reason or purpose is basically to see how we can bring in different service scopes around different practices from Hong Kong into Singapore, and vice versa, right across Southeast Asia plus Australia as well. So that's why what we're seeing already in the pipeline, the roadmap, is we want to expand how we can cross-practically delivering different values to our clients, no matter to our existing clients. So just like other companies, right? So what our focus is mostly on multinational companies, so which is our main focus. So we are growing, expanding our service scope with these companies in different countries. That's one major thing. And we are also trying to expand into different new logos as well. So as mentioned before, we are more focused on the FSI, financial service institutions. But with the demand on customer experience throughout the digital transformation, this basically spread across all other sectors, industries. And we're also in the pipeline talking into various opportunities and new pitches on clients that spread not only on FSI, but retail, FMCG, pharmaceutical, hotel resorts, property management, edutech. So basically any industry that we have been reaching to, none of them are not undergoing any sort of digital transformation experience, especially across customer experience as well. So we're also looking to expand different scope into the rest of the other countries, as well as we're also hoping to regain our new norm under COVID. So that's why we're also looking towards expansion in North Asia as well.